Men over 50, the worst thing you can do in the morning isn't eating carbs or skipping the gym. It's checking your phone the second you wake up. I know, it sounds harmless. But here's what really happens. Your brain gets hit with a dopamine spike, stress hormones rise, and your focus gets hijacked before your feet even touch the floor. That flood of news, texts, and social media sets you up for anxiety, brain fog, and low energy all day. And over time, it wrecks your sleep, hurts your heart, and messes with your metabolism. Instead, take the first 10 minutes for you. Hydrate, stretch, breathe, journal, eat protein, anything, just don't scroll. You're not 25 anymore. Your habits hit harder now. Want to reverse aging, boost testosterone, and feel sharper every day? Ditch the screen, own your morning, transform your health. Comment "No phone mornings" if you're making the switch, and follow for daily tips that actually work for men over 50. Hit the like and subscribe button. Also share this to anyone who you think may benefit. Help me build this community for like-minded people. Thank you.